is Levy and I will share to you my journey experience to process my visa, and now I'm here in Australia. So for today's video, I will talk about my granted visa. So wow, grabe. Sobrang saya ko talaga, abot langit na mag-granted yung visa ko. In just 6 days, hindi ko in-expect na ganun kabilis at kadali mag-granted yung visa ko. Nag-biometric ako December 27, 2023. Then sa Cebu ako nag-attend ng biometric appointment. Pagkatapos kong mag-biometric, chine-check namin ng boyfriend ko every night sa mismong AMI account niya if pinaprocess na ba nila yung papers ko after ng biometric ko. Pero nag-remind pala sila na December 28 to January 1, 2024, nag-holiday sila. It means the office is closed at dahil na rin malapit na ang New Year that time. So January 2, 2024, chinek ulit namin ng boyfriend ko sa mismong AMI account niya if nag-process na ba sila sa papers ko pagkatapos mag-biometric appointment. Yes, nag-process na sila. Nakita doon at pinaremind nila na at that day na pinaprocess na nila. So, yun, kinakabahan ako at exciting, but especially nagpe-pray ako kay God na sana ma-approve or mag-granted yung visa ko, but hindi talaga mawala yung negativity sa isipan ko. But I'm thankful na nandyan yung boyfriend ko na chine-cheer up ako kasi at that time umuwi siya ng Pilipinas. January 8, 2024, nasa Siargao kami at pumunta kami ng Magpupungko Beach, pero iniwan niya yung phone niya. Pero yung phone ko palagi kong dala at syempre 1% swimming, 99% pictures. Ganyan tayo mga babae, di ba? So 5 p.m. umuwi na kami sa hotel at dumiretso na ako sa shower. At siya naman pumunta sa kwarto at chinek niya yung phone niya. Pagkatapos kong mag-shower, tinawag niya ako, sabi niya, "Come here, I will tell you something special." So yun, nang lumapit ako, sinabi niya sa akin, "Congratulations, you're granted to your tourist visa." Tapos yun, na-shock ako kasi hindi ko in-expect. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, "Are you kidding me? Or you're just playing on me?" And sinabi niya sa akin, "I'm not kidding you. I'm telling the truth. Come here." So lumapit ako sa kanya at yun, binasa namin ang message sa email. Yun, sinabi na, "Dear Livy Apyag, you're granted to your visa." Yun, sobrang saya ko talaga, as in. Umiyak ako. Naiyak talaga ako sa sobrang saya, tears of joy. Hinag ko siya kasi hindi ko in-expect ganun kabilis at kadali mag-granted yung visa ko. Kasi further processing sila, nag-start ng January 2, din na-granted ako January 8, 2024. Well, siguro I deserve this para talaga to sa akin ng opportunity na to. And this year is Year of the Dragon and I'm born in August 8, 2000. And yes, I'm a dragon. This is my year to shine and this is my lucky year. And I'm very thankful also to my boyfriend who have a lot of effort to process my visa. And a special thank to God. Salamat talaga sa lahat, Lord, at plano mo to sa akin at hindi mo ako pinapabayaan, ginagabayan mo ako palagi. And for those who process the visa, don't forget to pray. At I know that God always listening to us, to our prayers. And that's it. Good luck and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.